Morning, everyone. Good morning. How are you today, everyone? Hello, Fiona. Hello. Good morning. How are you today? How was your weekend? All right. Let's not waste the time. Let's start the class right away.
แม่ครับหนูอยากเปิดลำโพงจะได้ยินเสียงครอบครัว
All right. Firstly, what I have to do is mute all of your first. If you want to speak, you can turn your mic. Yes? All right. Turn your mic on if you want to speak. But if you don't have anything to speak, you can just turn your mic off. Turn your mic off. All right. Now let's start. Today we are using this book today. We are using this book today. Mathematics. We are using this book today. Mathematics. All right. Before we start, let's review what we have learned last few weeks ago. Your week. Oh, yes, that one. I'm sorry. The pink one, yes, it's the pink one. Good job. Next, let's review what we have learned so far. Small talk number one. Can you introduce yourself? If teacher asks you, can you introduce yourself? You have to say, my name is ... and I am ... years old. You have to say, if you ask teacher, can you introduce yourself? You have to say, my name is Peach, and I am 23 years old. My name is Peach, and I am 23 years old. And what about small talk 1B? Do you remember small talk 1B? Where do you study? If I ask you where, we are talking about places. So you say, I study at Mari Pitak School. I study at Mari Pitak School. Very good. And if I ask you, how are you feeling today? You can say, I am feeling happy, or I am feeling sad. Or number 3, I am feeling great. And last one, I am not feeling well. What about small talk 1D? What is your favorite subject? You can say, my favorite subject is art. My favorite subject is music. It can be anything.
แม่ทำอันเดิมหรือว่าทำ
If teacher asks you, where do you study? You can say, where do you play? I play at the playground. Where do you have lunch? I have lunch in the canteen. And where do you study? You say, I study in the classroom. Where do you read books? You say, I read books in the library. Next, what did you do during the school vacation? You can, I stayed at home. Or you can say, I went to the beach. I went to the beach. Or number 3, you can say, I visited the cousins. I visited the cousins. And number 4, I studied in the tutoring school. And small talk 1G. Small talk 1G. How many students are there in your classroom? How many students are there in your classroom? You can say there are 33 students in my classroom. There are 33 students in my classroom. Next small talk 1H. What time do you get to school? What time do you get to school? You can say, I get to school at ... o'clock. And what time do you go back home? What time do you
ไม่ใช่ครูฟุกอันนี้ที่ชื่อ
You can say, I go
เล่มไหน
back
เล่มนี้เหรอ
home
แมทเหรอ
at 8 o'clock. I go back home at 8
อ่านพูดแล้วเราคุย
o'clock.
บอกด้วยเหรอ
Small talk. Not yet, it is a review, it is a revision. Not yet, not yet. We are just reviewing the previous class. Who is your teacher? Who is your teacher? Who is your English teacher? You can say, my English teacher is teacher Peach. My English teacher is Peach. And small talk 1J. Do you have a ... Do you have a ruler? You can answer, yes, I do, or no, I don't. And if teacher asks you, may I borrow your ruler? You can say, sure, here it is. Sure, here it is.
อันไหน
Now,
เหรอ
it's time for mathematics. We are using this book, mathematics. Subtraction. We are learning subtraction today. We are learning vertical method, and we are learning horizontal method. Now, open your book to page 13, everyone, page 13. This page, this one, all right. Page 13, let's talk about vertical method. If teacher have number 2 and number 4, what is this number? What is this number? It's number 24. It's number 24. Good job. 24. Good job. Minus 3. 24 minus 3. What is 24 minus 3? What is it? Good job. 21 is 21. Now we have number. What number is it? What number is it? It's number 67. Number 67. Good job. Minus 1. What is the result of the 1? It's 60. Good job. It's 66. 66. Let's move to the next one. What is this number? What is this number? 72. 72. Minus 1. 72 minus 1. Yes, 2 minus 1 is 1, and 7. We pull it down. It's 70. 71. Good job, 71. What number is it? Number 80. 89. Good job. 89 minus minus 7. 89 minus 7. 9 minus 7 equals 2. 9 minus 7 equals 2. And we pull number 8 down. It's 82. Good job. It's 82. Next we have number
62.
Good job. 62 minus 8. Now what to do? We borrow because 2 is less than 8. We borrow from the 6. We borrow from number 6. So number 6 becomes 5 and 2 becomes 12. Now 12 minus 8. 12 minus 8. 12 minus 8.
ได้เท่าไหร่
4. Good job. And now we pull number 5 down. What number is it? It's 50.
54.
Good job. It's 54. 54. Let's move to next number. What number is it?
91.
91. Very, very good. 91 minus 6. 91 minus 6. Now we have to borrow from number 9. Now number 9 becomes number 8. And number 1 becomes 7 minus 6 is 11.
85.
It's 85. Good job. We pull number 8 down. It's 85. Very, very good. Let's move to next number. We have 20.
24.
Good job. 24 minus 8. 24 minus 8. Borrow. We need to borrow. 14 minus 8. 14 minus 8. It's 6. And pull number 1 down. What is this number? What number is it? It's 16.
60.
Good job. 16. 16, not 60.
แม่ข้อต่อไป
16.
แม่ตอบแบบข้างล่างเลยนะแบบไม่ต้องหมายเลขเลย
Now, horizontal method. We are
ได้
learning
5เหลือศูนย์
horizontal method now. 25 minus 5. 25 minus 5. 25 minus 5. 5 minus 5 is 0. And we pull number 2 to this. It's become 20. Good job. Very good. Next, what number is it? It's 83 minus 1. Good job. 3 minus 1 is 2. And we pull number 8 here. So what number is it?
82.
82. Good job. Let's move to the next one. 69 minus 4. 69 minus 4. 9 minus 4 is 5. And we pull number 6 this way. What number is it?
65.
65. Good job. Next, we have 15 minus 1. What is 5 minus 1? 5 minus
4.
4. And we pull number 1 here. It's number
1.
14.
40.
not 40. 40.
40.
Okay, now we have number 29 minus 4. 29 minus 4.
ตอนเนี้ยเขาเรียน
9
อยู่
minus 4 is
เขาเรียน
5.
อยู่
And pool number
2.
2. So what number is it? What number is it?
25.
5. Good job, 25. Now let's move to this one. 56 minus 8. 56 minus 8. We have to borrow. So number 5 becomes number 4 and number 6 becomes 16.
แล้วก็9 10 11
16 minus 8.
11 12 13 15 16 17 18
It's 16 minus 8 is 8. Good job. And we pull number 4 here. So what's number? 48. Good job. 48. Next, 81. 81 minus 5. 81 minus 5.
5 แล้วก็6 7
We need
8
to
9 11
borrow. We need to borrow.
Look.
So 11
6.
minus 5 is 6. Good job. 6. And who number 7 here? So what number is it?
26
76. Good job. 76.
6
Now, what is the difference of these number sentences? 45 minus 32.
32
What is it? It's 13. It's 13. You said if teacher asks you
13
what is difference of this number sentence? What is the
13
difference of this number sentence? You say it is 13. It is 13.
13
Very good. Next, we have 39 minus 21. 9 minus 21. 9 minus 1 is 8. 9 minus 1 is 8. And 3 minus 2 is 1. So the result is 18. 18. What is the difference of this number sentence? You say it is 18. It is 18.
18
Very, very good.
18
Next, 46 minus 12. 46 minus 12. 6 minus 12 is 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. It's 34. What is difference of this number sentence? You say it is 34. It
34
is 34. Good job. Now it's time to practice this together. All right. 50 minus 12. 50 minus 12. What is 50 minus 12? What is 50 minus 12? Do you know it? It's
38
38. Good job. What about number 2? 25 minus 14. 25 minus 14. 5 minus 4 is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. So it's 11. It's 11. Number 3. Number 3. 89 minus 25. 89 minus 25. 9 minus 5 is 4. And what is it? 64. Good job. 64. Now let's move to number 4. 56 minus 10. 56 minus 10.
ที่ชอบเปิดหน้าไหนคะ
It's not in your book. It's not in your book. 56 minus 10.
46
46. What about 75 minus 8? 75 minus 8.
จะยิน66
Are you sure 66?
Yeah.
Really? Are you sure? 66?
Sure.
Okay.
16
Let's check. It's 67. What about 67 minus 31? 67 minus 31. Is it 30? 30? 36. Good job. What about this one? 78 minus 21. 78 minus 21. What is it? 8 minus 1 is 7.
57.
50.
57
Are you sure?
57
Good job. 57. Now let's move to the next one. 82 minus 24. 82 minus 24. 12 minus 4. 12 minus 4 is 52. Are you sure?
No. 58
52 and 58. Let's check. It's 58. It's 58. And last one, 99 minus 15. 99 minus 15.
5 เหลือ 4 9 ลบ 1 เหลือ 84
84 is the correct answer. Good job. Now open your book to page 14. Page 14. Now let's see. Please read this number sentence. Please read this number sentence. You say 30, 23 minus 30 equals 10. 23 minus 13 equals 10. What is the difference between 33 and 13? What is the difference between 23 and 13? You say it's 10. It's 10. What about this one? Please read these numbers. Yes?
พี่เชอร์ข้อบนอะไรอะข้างบน
It's fine. We just practice reading. You don't have to write. No need to write this one. Just listen to me. Please read this number sentence. Please read this number sentence. You say 98 minus 37 equals 61. What is the difference between 98 minus 37? You say it's 61. It's 61. And last one. Please read this number sentence. You say 37 minus 29 equals 44. And if I ask you what is the difference between
แม่เช็ดไม่ทันแล้ว
หนูก็
and 9? It's 44. It's 44. Now let's move to this one.
พี่
Let's
เชิญ
move
หนูไม่
to-
ทันนะคะ
You don't have to write. Don't write it down. Don't write it down. This one, you don't write it down. You don't write it down. Just listen to teacher. But this one, now we have 23 already. So what is 86 minus 54? 86 minus 64. 86 minus 54. What is the result of it? What is it?
อ่ะ
It's
เท่าไหร่32
32. Good job. 32. Write 32 down. What about number 3? 46 minus 39. 46 minus 39. What is it? 46 minus 39. It's 7. Write 7 down. Write 7 down. Good job. Next, number 4. 95 minus 79. 95 minus 79. 95 minus 79. What is the result of it? 95 minus 79. It's. Do you know what number it is? Six is 26. Now let's move to number 6. 82 minus 48. 82 minus 48. It's 30. 34. Now, what about number 7? 65 minus 30. 65 minus 30.
เอาเร็วๆสิ
65 minus 30 is
25
one more time. Try one more time. 35 minus 30 is 30. 35. Good job. It's 35. What about this one? 53 minus 38. 53 minus 38. It's. What is it? 33 minus.
15
What is it again? It's 15. Very good. Now, number 9. 77 minus 19. 77 minus 19. It's
48
58. Good job. It's 58. What about 39 minus 18? 39 minus 18. It's
21
very good. It's 21. Now let's reveal. 65 minus 12. What is the result of 65 minus 12? It's 50.
53.
Very good. 53. What about this one? 74 minus 21. 74 minus 21. 50.
แล้วมันดูยังไงดูแบบเสียงเหรอเจอ53 มันดูอย่างนี้เหรอ
53. Good job. 53. That is it for today, everyone. Do you have any questions? Do you have any questions? No? If there is no question, that is it for today. I will see you guys tomorrow. What is tomorrow's subject?
มันระบายสีสวยจังเลย
Tomorrow's subject is science. Tomorrow's subject is science. I will see you guys tomorrow, everyone. Bye-bye. Have a good day.
บ๊ายบาย
Tomorrow. Bye-bye.
บ๊ายบาย tomorrow บ๊ายบายได้15 โมงเลย15 ชั่วโมงมันเรียนวิชาเร็วจังมันเรียนเร็วจังมันเรียนแล้วเหรอเพิ่งเลิกไปเมื่อกี้